Hi, it's Nicole Donegan from Women on Boards. In this short video, I'm going to show you how to update your position on your WOB account page. I'm starting on the WOB homepage and I'm already logged in. On the very top menu, you'll see your name and hopefully a photo. In this example, you can see that this account belongs to Mrs. Millie Tester. Millie uploaded her photo when she set up her account page, so her photo and her name appears here. To update your details, you go to My Account, and to get to My Account, you press the down arrow next to your name and you'll see My Account comes up. You press that and you go across. This will take you across to your account page. And as you can see, the default tab here, which is shaded in plum, is My Details. On the left-hand side, you'll also see a range of other tabs, but for now, we're going to stick with My Details. To edit any details in your My Details, you press the edit button and this will make sure that everything comes up so that it is editable. We're going to go in here. Millie is no longer a secretary, so we're going to change that, remove that from her position. Once that is done, scroll down and make sure you save. It's very important that you save, or any changes you made will not stay on your profile. And you can tell that that's worked because there's a little green tick up the top. Hopefully that helps. If you have any questions or need further information, please reach out via the help menu or contact the WOB team. Thank you very much.